Hi guys, it's Jodi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi. Isn't she pretty, all done up in her little planner, her little cover? And as always, I have my planner tail from TabbyCatClips. I just love it. So let's get this opened up. This is what my current week looks like. Actually, I'm finished this week. Today is Monday, the 19th. So this is the week we'll be planning, and I'm using this beautiful kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. I love the colors and nice gold foil with it. And I'm going to be pairing it with some functionals and whatnot from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm also, going to be using some washi from Simply Gilded with gold foil. Okay, so let's start on the bottom washi. That's where I always start. Anybody who watches my channel, I think you all know that that's where I start. So what have you been up to? Enjoying a wonderful, beautiful summer here in Canada. Couldn't ask for anything better. Lots of sunshine and perfect to getting out in the garden and doing some activities. I'll keep us all busy and get to see the grandbabies. And yes, I have four granddaughters who keep me busy. I love them all very much. And I have the dogs that keep me busy as well. I always have them around my side. I've got Gidget in here with me. She's my youngest, and she's in here with me. So if you hear any funny noises, it's her. She's probably going to try and get my attention. And I cannot lay this bottom washi straight for the life of me. It's going to be clearly one of those weeks in my planner. I'm going to flip it around and see if I can lay it down this week, or this way, before I ruin anything. Okay, I've got it down. That's as straight as it's going to be. So that's really pretty. And let's get the top washi down. Oops. So I can't believe we're in August already, filming and planning for the last full week of August. It's crazy how fast the summer's gone by. It's I tell you, the older you get, the faster it goes, and it's proof. These summers are just flying by, and I think the most part is that the weather's been so warm. I don't want to be inside, so I don't want it to end. So here's the Monday to Sunday sticker, and it's all in one piece, which is really nice. It helps it lay it down. So have you been anywhere on your holidays? There's lots of vacation weekends. In Canada, we have some long weekends gone by, and next weekend, not this weekend, but the following weekend is a long weekend for Canada. It's a Labor Day weekend. I don't know, do you have Labor? I think you have Labor Day in the States, don't you? So I'm putting the weekend banner down. I haven't used them lately, but this is foiled and it's really pretty. So I thought I would go ahead and put it in. There's only 6 boxes. I like to use 7 down here, so I'm just going to come in and put them in, stagger them on the days. There's no checklists at all for this week, from this kit, so I don't need to put checklists in, which is kind of odd. She used to have them in her kits, so I don't know why she took them out. But we'll make do without them. If you know any shops that sell checklists separately, let me know. Because once in a while, I guess you find one kit that doesn't have it. So anything, I do have something to tell you all. So you know that I have, with my husband, we have a movie channel called Hometown Classic Movies, and I've talked about it several times. But I've also started one for myself, and it's called Chick Flicks Movies, and it's Chick, C-H-I-C, boy that's crooked, C-H-I-C, Flicks, Flix and movies. And I've got a few movies up. My aim is to upload 3 a week to keep the content fresh. But I've managed to put a few up, so I think I've got 4 videos now. I've got this little Harriet Wright Designs scallop box, and it's really pretty. So I'm just going to put it up at the top because I don't have a theme box. So this would look really pretty up here, I think. There. And let's go ahead and put the washi down. I run the washi in columns here to mark my meals and my weather. So let's go ahead and see how straight I can get this. Where'd my line go? I swear every week I get this wrong, and I'm just going the same way. For the life of me, I can't draw a straight line, and apparently I can't lay washi in a straight line either. So I probably asked you this all before. Do you guys use a Hobonichi? Do you plan with one? If you do, are you liking it? I just love this. It's been my everyday planner. I find I'm using my Erin Condren more as a memory planner. And my B6 I'm using as a PR planner because I PR for 4 shops, and I have PR codes for other shops as well. So I like to keep track of what I'm posting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put this right against here. Put the meals all marked in. One thing that this kit also doesn't have is habit trackers. Normally I track 2 habits in this planner. I track my vitamins and prescriptions. But, so this week I'm not going to track them unless I draw one. Once in a while I'll hand draw one. That's the fun thing about using a Hobonichi, because you can pretty much do anything you want in the planner and make it work for you. With these grids, it's easy to make a habit tracker. Ugh. Do you use monthly kits in yours? I've got my first monthly kit that I've used is this beautiful one. I probably had you to frame that whole time. This beautiful one, and I believe it was from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and I just love the way it looks. I'm going to have one for September from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. It's her first monthly kit, so you'll see me plan with that. So let's go in with the day-to-day, and as always, I'm going to put my wash machine from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and I'm going to put that on Sunday. So I always do laundry on Sunday. And also on Sunday, it's my best friend's birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tiny little cupcake in to mark that. So hi Leanna, happy birthday almost. And normally I'll mark new releases, but this Friday there is new releases. So we'll go ahead and put that in. Once again, this is Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. This is custom scripts, and I need to order more. I love her custom scripts. They're just beautiful. They're so delicate. And Sundays I plan. Normally I plan in this planner, but I've been planning in my Erin Condren more Sundays now, but I try to sneak both of them in. This week I'm late. Wednesday is Washi Wednesday. Again, another custom font. And I did my nails today. I got them all fixed up. They were a mess. I was working in the yard, cutting back bushes and hedges, and boy, I did a number on them. They needed to be redone. I'm going to use this white trash can. This is again from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans, and I just love the way they look, and Friday is trash day, so I'll put that in. And Monday is Coffee Monday. And let's use a pink one. Always have to start Monday morning with lots of coffee. And Thursday is my grocery day. Historically, I always do, not hysterically, historically, I always do groceries on Thursday. And so I'm going to use one of these little Prairie Planner grocery girls. Her name is Cheyenne, little blonde. She has three characters. This is my favorite because I'm blonde. And actually, Cheyenne is modeled after her daughter. And I think she's super cute. So this is what I have planned for this week. I don't really have anything else that I can put in at this point. I usually run a line through the boxes to separate them. So I guess I can go ahead and do that to mark in my meals and my weather. And today is absolutely gorgeous. It's sunny and warm. It was supposed to be rainy, but they changed the forecast last minute. So I get to use my sunshine stickers. And I think I might have them in the back of my planner so I can go ahead and pull them out and put them in. But that would be the last thing that I do in my planner today because, as I said, I've marked all of my tasks for the week that I can pre-plan. And then I plan everything daily as I go along. I update my planner daily. So let's see if I have my weather. I have a sunny one, so that's what it is today. And these are again from Lil'Annabelle's Plans. So I'll go ahead and put that in. And what a mess I have over here. Today's high is 26, and overnight it's going to be 16, so it's starting to get cool in the evenings. So that's it. This is my spread. I think it looks super pretty. I love the kits from Simply Beautiful Plans. She always has gorgeous foils. And do a little bit of a bib wiggle, because you know, you have to. So anyway, thank you for visiting. Thank you for staying with my channel. I know that I've been hit and miss with my uploads lately. It's summer, so I'm not in the house as often. Thank you for spending the time with me. Please take a moment to subscribe, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. And hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes up. Thanks very much. Bye now.